colony, you buy it with the queen and about 4 frames of bees and honey and brood, which is babies. So we gotta take it out of this cardboard box and put it into their permanent home. In here I just got some frames. Got about mostly hot frames with some honey and some empty frames so they can lay some babies. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put on my gloves and my hood because you don't know how angry they'll be. I just bought from a new person, so I don't know what kind of bees he has. The last ones I got were very docile, did not get stung. So this is the box. So I'm literally just gonna prop it up. They're a little dusty because we've been working out in the field quite a bit. I don't know if my smoker is going much, it's pretty windy. Very little smoke left in it, but you just put some in anyways to kind of calm them down. I'm going to open the box. And transfer them over. And I'm actually not sure if the queen is marked or not, so you can come up close and see if there's a queen that's marked. If not, then we'll mark her. And this year, 2020, the queen is blue. So I have a blue marker. So this is our first frame. Okay, so we got a queen cell, which is weird, which is this cell in the middle. No bee that's marked, no queen bee that's marked here. These bigger larvae here, I don't know if you can see, that those are the boy bees, the drones. This is a queen cell, so that's if they wanted to swarm, they'd put their the queen in there, and they'll feed her royal jelly. The rest of the ones are, well, that's honey, and this is just regular worker bees. That's what those look like. So the bigger ones are the drones, the boys. So I'm just gonna put them in the exact same order that they came. And if you want to know the difference between a drone is the big guy and the worker bees, so you could tell it's quite different, right? It's a lot bigger. And I don't see a queen here, but all that is capped brood, so those are all babies waiting to hatch. I actually feel like I'm gonna have to put this box on the ground so it doesn't fall on me. Okay. And they seem pretty calm. I guess the sun's out, so it's not too bad. Okay, let's see if the queen's in here. Again, this is an easy example. Regular brood, regular babies, drones, a lot bigger, and you could tell the size difference. He's pretty much double the size, these two guys, than the rest of the worker bees. And I don't see a queen, and she would be a lot longer. And I'm just trying to see if I see any babies. And it's actually easier to see without your hood. So the eggs are very tiny and hard to see. Yeah, and I see day-old eggs. So as of yesterday, you probably won't be able to see, but there are little grain of rice that are inside these holes. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. Probably can't. So, oh, and she's not marked, and I see her right now. So this is the queen right here in the middle. She's a lot longer than the other bees. She's really dark. Okay. So I'm just gonna catch her. Put my hood back on. And once I catch her, I'll be able to mark her. So I just have this cage. Okay, and I just grab her like so. So she's in there now. And then I have this is a marking cage. Actually, while I do this, I'm gonna put this frame in. There's no point of keeping it out, okay? So I need to transfer the queen bee inside my little marking. I just try to shake her in, and then she falls in there. Okay, and I just need her to, oh, there she goes. I just ever so gently press her, and I'm gonna mark her. I believe it's called the thorax, which is just right there. Give her a blue marking. This paint's a little not quick to dry, so just gonna give it a minute. Let her walk around in there. But as you can see, now she's got the blue color. So next time, let's see, it's kind of hard to see. Next time I go in there, it's gonna be pretty easy to spot her. Just gonna let her dry for maybe a minute. This paint is pretty watery. See, it's got on my gloves. Okay, so I'll just let her back in. That should be good enough. Back into her colony. Yeah, as you see, she's on that frame, and she'll crawl back in. Oh, what a beauty she is, right? Very dark. Usually they're a little bit lighter. So I'm not sure what kind of breed he has. So now that we found the queen, this is pretty easy. We know we've seen eggs. If you want to see brood that's a couple days old, it's just inside there. The white stuff. Let me see if I can. Actually, kind of really hard to see. Another queen cell. So these guys look like they were ready maybe to swarm, right? Look, those are all queen cells. So we actually might have to watch this colony so they don't fly away. Give them lots of space, because that's why they swarm, because they don't have enough space. Perfect. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to squeeze these guys over. Not to squish the queen, but the queen is still on top. Okay. And this is the last frame. Pretty tight. That is really tight. So. I might just remove one of the empty ones. Put this guy in and then slide this one back. And then I pretty much just shake all the other bees that are in here inside. If there's still some guys in there, I'll give it another shake, and then I'll just leave the box out, so if any, because this is the entrance, want to go in and out, they can. Now we need to put in our inner cover. Outer cover, making sure Try not to squeeze these guys. And then we just put a rock on top. And our nuke is installed. That's that.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.